Welcome to Quick Start for Building Operations Management with Archibus. Every day around the world, organizations in diverse fields such as education, healthcare, government, financial services, retail, energy, and many others run mission-critical operations from the facilities they occupy. Inadequate maintenance of these facilities or the poor condition of equipment installed at these facilities can result in lost customers and revenue, or lowering of safety standards, and inadequate compliance. So how can a business avoid these undesired outcomes? The answer lies with Archibus Building Operations Management. These organizations utilize the powerful building operations applications from Archibus that help them easily schedule, track, record, and report on their facility maintenance across multiple facilities. The resulting benefits include a longer life of building equipment, greater equipment utilization, improved safety and compliance, lower labor costs, and lower capital equipment replacement costs over the long term. Let's get acquainted with the Archibus Building Operations Console, the fastest way to reap the benefits just described. The console allows you to view, process, and manage work requests right from the time they are requested to the time they are completed. A single view does it all. The intuitive console layout and nomenclature helps you learn to use the software easily and quickly. We will now visit Larry, one of 3 organization stakeholders you will meet today who will benefit by using Archibus Building Operations Management. Larry is a hardworking facilities manager who has set himself a goal of raising his facility maintenance scores this year. But he faces a challenge. Every day, he receives a large number of work requests by email mixed in with his regular office messages, making them difficult to identify and track. As a result, Larry has sometimes missed identifying critical work requests, thus lowering his maintenance scores. He needs our help to get his maintenance scores back on track. Let's show Larry how to quickly and easily prioritize the large number of work requests he receives every day. With the Building Operations Console, work requests are entered right into the console. Larry does not have to go through the painful task of searching his mailbox for new requests. He can quickly identify requests that have been approved, ones that have been issued and are being serviced by craftspersons, ones that have been stopped or put on hold, and those that have been completed. He can identify the location of a work request right on a floor plan, making it easy to identify multiple work requests that can be serviced by a craftsperson in a single visit. He can also view the description of individual work requests right from the console. But wait, Larry still needs to prioritize the work requests he receives. The search filter is a great way for Larry to accomplish this. He can search for and list work requests by building, floor, room, problem type, or any combination of the above. To identify old work requests, all he has to do is select 10 oldest requests from the pull-down menu and click on Filter. The old work requests are now listed. That's all there is to it. Finally, he can also group work requests by a number of criteria, such as status, location, and problem type, and he can combine both grouping and filtering to pinpoint the work request he is searching for. Larry will not fear missing any critical service requests from now on, and his maintenance scores will be rising very soon. Our next visit is with Clara, a call center manager at a large corporation. Clara believes in providing excellent customer service. However, her work request management system does not provide her with an easy way to track the whereabouts of craftspersons who set up their own schedule and often skip service calls due to job overlaps, time overruns, or other causes. Unhappy employees often complain that work requests are left unattended or incomplete. Clara needs a way to reduce the number of complaints and give herself the satisfaction of providing excellent customer service. Let's help Clara achieve her goals. After entering a new work request, Clara can estimate the work request for costs like labor and parts, schedule work to be done at a certain time, issue work to a craftsperson, or cancel the work if the request has been withdrawn. She can also put the work request on hold if, for example, replacement parts are not available, stop further work on the work request, update the status of the work request with new information, and mark the work request as complete once the work has been performed to the employee's satisfaction. Next, let's show Clara how to schedule work for her craftspersons. With a few clicks, Clara can assign work to a specific craftsperson, schedule the work for a specific date and time, and estimate the time to complete the work. Further, with the help of the planning board, also accessible from the console, Clara can view the daily, weekly, and monthly schedule of each craftsperson. The planning board allows her to safely assign craftspersons to jobs without the fear of job overlap or time overruns, and also provide co-workers who have requested service with information about when and by which craftsperson the work will be carried out. With the help of Archibus, Clara is on her way to becoming the customer service champion at her call center. Our final visit is with David. David is an operations manager at his company. In his role, David is evaluated on his ability to lower maintenance costs. He is looking for a way to easily identify and isolate the sources of maintenance costs across multiple facilities. Without a world-class software system to help him, he cannot achieve his goal and could possibly forfeit his annual salary bonus. Let's help him achieve his objective with Archibus Building Operations Management. The cost analysis report is just one of many reports that David can use to identify and isolate maintenance costs. This report gives David a breakdown of maintenance costs by problem type and helps him identify which problem types have contributed the most to costs. With this information, David can focus on reducing costs for specific problem types. With the help of reports such as this, David can achieve his objective and also look forward to his annual bonus. David and the executive staff at his company can use a variety of additional reports to identify and lower maintenance costs. These include the Building Maintenance Cost Report, the Cost Report on Completed Work Requests by Problem Type, and the Total Cost of Maintenance by Equipment Standard. These reports allow key stakeholders like David to better allocate maintenance budgets, renew or change service contracts based on desired maintenance outcomes, and negotiate more favorable contracts with maintenance service providers. This is a good time to briefly review some of the important day-to-day tasks that you can begin using immediately with Archibus Building Operations Management. You can create new work requests, identify work request location on a floor plan, review work request details, estimate, schedule, and issue work to a craftsperson, hold, stop, or cancel a work request, update a work request with the latest information, export work request information in industry standard formats, produce customized reports for executive and line managers, and a lot more. To complete this overview, let's review some key benefits you gain by using Archibus for Building Operations Management. Save time with the Building Operations Console, which provides visibility from a single view into work orders in all stages of execution. Speed up decision-making for managers and executives with customizable, easily accessible reports. Learn to use the console quickly with the help of its intuitive layout and nomenclature. Finally, home and fast on desired information with the extensive filtering options. Thank you for listening, and welcome to Quick Start for Building Operations Management with Archibus.